Hello everyone, my name is Srimay Mahapadra. I'm a talent development specialist, and in my last video I spoke about why change is so difficult, and I gave you I tried to explain you the Maslow's hierarchy of human needs, where he talks about in 1943 he actually tried to explain that unless and until your basic needs are satisfied and you try to change something about yourself, for example acquiring a new skill or changing your personality or maybe learning communication skills or anything like achieving a goal or becoming rich or successful, unless and until you satisfy your basic needs, you actually cannot reach to that level. And that is what he tried to explain, that there is a specific approach, step-by-step process to reach to a higher level. Even if you try to change something about yourself, it is not going to last for long, or it will be temporary, unless you have food on your plate, unless you have money in your wallet, unless your health is fine, unless you feel secure. And it's the same thing, like if you look at your education system, if you want to implement a fantastic education system in a country without actually taking care of the three elements which are there in the education system, the student, the professor and the parents, if you don't take care of their health, their salary, their food, their living conditions, and you expect them to reach to a higher level of self-realization or fantastic education, it's not going to happen. It's not going to last long. So how do we override it? Now 95% of the people follow the same pattern, and if you're one of them, go ahead and follow it. Your growth is going to be just like in the tortoise speed. However, there are 5% of the people who actually are able to override this. Now, how do they override this? If you look at a monk, if you look at a military personnel, if you look at even a successful entrepreneur, you will find something common in all of them. Two things are there. They all have practiced how to stay focused. Let me repeat that once again. They all have practiced how to stay focused. If you want to stay focused, if you want to stay motivated and inspire yourself without practicing the art of being focused, then you can never get focused. It's as simple as that. That is number one. Number two, they all are driven by very, very strong purpose in their life. Unless and until there is a reward, you cannot change. And their reward is not money. Their reward is not safety or security or affection or love. Their reward is the purpose of the greater good of this world. And that is what is making them wake up every morning, go through the grind and keep pushing themselves. And they know that unless they practice focus, they cannot satisfy that purpose. So if you want to override that Maslow's hierarchy, and if you want to be in the 5%, in the top 5%, then you have to have these two things. Once again, you need to practice how to stay focused, and you need to have a strong purpose in your life which will drive you ahead. Now, how to stay focused and how to find that purpose, in my next video I'll be talking about that. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please do join my exclusive Facebook group if you're looking for jobs, which is only for career growth tips and people who are looking for jobs. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay tough, keep doing things which take you closer to your goal. Bye-bye.